Backslash n in Python means new line. Backslash n is what you do when you go to next line. Let's see that practically. You can notice that in this example, without using print, backslash n is included in the output. You have to use the print function to see second line in a new line. Let's try another one using the print function only without using variables. Look at here, we got m in new line. All that comes after backslash n. We got it on the next line. If you don't want characters prefaced by backslash to be interpreted as special characters, you can use row strings by adding an R before the first quote. Because the letter R was used in this example before the first quote, nothing was printed on the next line, and the backslash n didn't work and didn't do its job. All of this string was printed in one line, and also the backslash n appeared in the output as it is.